Have you ever wondered what it's like to give your Raspberry Pi real-time vision, just like the fastest robots and drones out there? Let me show you something new. The Prophecy GenX320 starter kit for Raspberry Pi 5. This tiny but mighty kit comes with the world's smallest and most power-efficient event-based vision sensor. It's not just a camera, this is a whole new way to see. Instead of grabbing boring frames like a regular webcam, the GenX320 sensor actually picks up on changes in the scene, pixel by pixel, as they happen. It's like having eyes that only notice when something moves. Here's what makes it special: 320 by 320 pixels of contrast detecting magic with a crazy fast event output. Think over 10,000 frames per second time resolution. Each event is stamped with microsecond precision. And latency? We're talking less than 150 microseconds in good light and still under a millisecond in near darkness. Oh, and the dynamic range? More than 140 decibels, so you never miss a detail, from blazing sunlight to deep shadows. The GenX320 sensor sips power less than 50 milliwatts to run and drops to a barely there 36 microwatts in ultra-low power mode. The whole sensor is just 3 by 4 millimeters, so small you'll barely notice it on your Pi. And it plugs straight into the Raspberry Pi 5's camera interface, no fuss. Direct connection via MIPI CSI2 for out-of-the-box integration. That means faster prototypes and less glue work for developers. Are you a developer or researcher building robots, drones, or industrial automation? This kit was made for you. If you need lightning-fast motion detection, low latency, or you're building anything that needs to see and react in real time, this is your new favorite tool. It comes with open-source software drivers, APIs for Python and C++, plus tools to record, replay, and visualize your data. You even get access to the Prophecy Knowledge Center, packed with guides, FAQs, forums, and tons of research papers to help you build and innovate. The GenX320 starter kit is available now through Prophecy's official channels. Pricing info is under wraps for now, but if you want to bring cutting-edge vision to the very edge, this is where you start. Ready to see the world differently? Ready to see the world differently? Check out the link in the description to know more. Bring event-based vision to your Raspberry Pi 5 today. If you liked this video, hit like and subscribe for more tech deep dives. See the link below. And happy building, Prophecy GenX320 starter kit, bringing intelligence to the very edge. Prophecy event-based metavision on Raspberry Pi. Specifications from Prophecy announcements. Check product page for latest specs.